So we are going to start today with a few questions from yesterday what you have learned. Do you remember something we have learned yesterday, new some notations or something which is related to number?
Factorial.
Concept I taught you last class. Do you remember anyone?
Factorial.
Yes, factorial. You have learned factorial yesterday. Then, day before yesterday, something new we have learned, right? What is that? Day before yesterday?
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras was not new for you, no? You have already learned that in school. But related to Pythagoras, something else. What was that? Some numbers, some ratios you have learned.
Golden ratio.
Golden ratio. What is that ratio number?
1:8.
1:6.
1:1.6.
1.6. It is 1.6. 5 by 3, 8 by 5. These all are golden ratio. Nearly equal to 1.6. That is the golden ratio. One more number I taught you. Do you remember that? In frequency, when I taught you frequency, the difference of each one, each note, I taught one number. What is that number?
2^1/12.
Yes, 2 raised to 1 by 12. What is that number? 2 raised to 1 by 12 is equal to 1.059. Okay, so these numbers we have learned, and today a question is waiting for you. You can read the question. The state of California, each standard automobile license plate. Number consists of one digit number followed by 3 letters followed by 3 more digits. Digits and letters can be repeated. How many distinct license plates can you form in California? This is the question. One digit, then letters, 3 letters from English alphabets, followed by 3 more digits. Digit can be any digit. Any digit. How many digits we have? We have how many digits?
10.
10. Okay. How many alphabets?
26.
26. Now you can create first place digit, next 3 alphabets, next 3 again digit. Yes. Sanvi wrote the answer. What is the answer, Sanvi? Can you unmute and say?
Ma'am, it will be 10 into 26 into 26 into 26 into 10 into 10 into 10.
Yes. The first place occupied by 10 digits. Any digit. It is not a number. They did not say anything about number, digit. So it can be 0 also. So 0 to 9. So 10 digit. And then letter. Any repetition allowed. So 26, 26, 26. Again 3 more digits. So it will be 10 into 26 into 26 into 26 into 26. Then 10 into 10 into 10. The number is written there. Yes, Sarah. Sarah, but there is a small error in your calculation. Small error that you can see from the answer given here. But it is almost the same. Okay. So these many license plates they can form. So here you can see the condition. First place digit, then letter, then digit. So few conditions are applied. Then you can see one more condition given here. This is the number plate system in India, but it is not the new one. Recently they changed the conditions. Now you can read this one. This is old one. 2017-16, this is the pattern they were following. The format of registration for the car. First two letters indicate the state. Next two digit, the sequential number of the district. So these two are permanent if you take any district. Then third one, one, two, or three letters. Fourth one, number from 1 to 9,999. But this letter means first you start with the one letter. Once it gets over, two letters. Once it gets over, three letters. This is the rule. So note down in a paper. Now I am going to show the next slide.
Ma'am, the third part, could you explain that again? 1, 2.
Third part, first you can start with the one letter, A.
Okay.
Once A, here it is written the last row, a letter is prefixed. When the 4-digit number runs out, then you can take two letters. That means A, B, C, D. Once it is finished, Z, then it will be A, B, etc. Okay. Then finish Z, then you can start three letters.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can calculate. Now I'm going to give you Andhra Pradesh, the two letters AP. And a district is given here, Visakhapatnam. So try to make the number plates. The first letter will be AP, then 31. After that, you can try with the one letter. First, we will start with the one letter. With the one letter, how many number plates? AP 31 is permanent. We are not going to touch on that. So the first place 4 alphabets, then the number from 1 to 9,999. In the first place, any alphabet, one letter. Try. How many letters is possible? How many letters are here? You can write. No, here the given space you can write.
Yeah, 26.
Yes, right there 26. You can write no annotation. Yes.
Yeah.
6 is going there. Okay. After that, so you wrote 26. So there are 26 letters.
Yeah.
Then about the number, what I said about the number.
Number 10.
Number
Yeah.
10, it is 1 to 9,999.
Yeah.
So how many numbers are possible?
9,999.
Yes. So what is the number? 26 multiplied by
9999.
multiplied by 9,999. Correct. 26 multiplied by 9,999. Yes.
Yeah.
So yes, she wrote AP 31. It is not 269999 Sanvi. It is 26 into 9,999. Okay.
Sorry,
There
ma'am, the typing mistake.
okay, no issue. Here 26 into, you can see here 26 into 9,999. Okay. Now, if once you finish this 26 letters, you will move on to two letters. Okay. Then how many different number plates we can create there? How many different number plates? Yes. Unmute your mic and say how it is. Here there is no other condition. Repetition allowed. Repetition allowed.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question once more in the second line?
Same question. Same question. In the once you finish all the letters, you can use two letters. AA, AB, AC, etc. And the
It
number
will be AP 31, 26 into 26 into 9,999.
Yes, correct answer. It will be. It is 26 into 26 into 26 into 9,999. Correct answer. In the next case, we finished all two letters. All the number plates got over. Then we will start with the 3 letters.
Can I say?
Yes, you can.
26 raised to 3 into 9999.
Yes, correct answer. Okay. So certain conditions, if you use, you can create number plates or whatever you want. According to the condition, we have to create. Okay. Now, next one. Look at these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Read the question. How many different numbers are possible without repetition? This is very important. Without repetition, how many numbers are possible? If 1, 4, 5, and 8 are fixed. 1, 4, 5, 8 are fixed numbers. But repetition not allowed.
Ma'am, is it 24?
How it is 24?
Sir, 4 parts are already fixed, then other rest of the 4 parts, then 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
Correct answer. Who is this?
Catherine.
Catherine, correct. It is 24. Yesterday I taught you it is 4 factorial. Correct, no? 4 factorial. So we can't use 1, 4, 5, 8. We can use only 2, 3, and then 6, 7. So total 4 letters. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial. Now you can read the next question. Next question. Here one more condition I added. Previous condition is there. In addition to that, I added one more condition. Before 4, you can keep a number less than 4. Before 8, you can keep a number less than 8. But you can't repeat. So which all digits can be possible here before 4? Which all digits are possible before 8 and after 5? Now you create how many numbers? So you are adding one more.
252.
Nikita, what a correct answer? Yes, someone told. What is your answer?
Is it 252?
Who is this?
Samvi.
Sangvi. How did you get to 256?
No, I'm 252.
How did you get it?
Before 4 means 2 and 3 can come.
2 and 3 can come.
Wait, no, ma'am, just a minute. I think I multiplied it wrong. 1
Okay, okay. So I got many students, they wrote here correct answer. Yes, and you told me we can keep only 2 and 3, right? How many different ways you can keep 2 and 3? How many different ways you can keep 2 and 3? Sanvi? 2 different ways, correct, Sarah? Then before 8 you can keep only 6 and 7. How many different ways you can keep 6 and 7?
2 ways.
2 ways. So in the left boxes you can keep 2 ways and the right boxes you can keep 2 ways. And simultaneously when you keep, how many different ways you can arrange them?
4.
4 ways. 2 into 2. So here the second case you can arrange only 4 ways. It is very simple to understand. 2, 3 or 3, 2. Right hand side 6, 7 or 7, 8. You selected 6 and 7 and you can arrange 6, 7 or 7, 8. Okay. Now we will move on to the next slide. So these conditions are very important when you learn permutation and combination. Here this is a sale in a shop. Festival time, you can see the sale given in the shops, buy one, get one free. But there is a condition. If you purchase one item, you will get a second item of same price or less for free. So here 2 items, strawberry and that is 200 rupees and cherry rupees 150. If you purchase one item, you will get free the same price item or less than that. So how many different ways you can purchase?
2 ways.
2 ways only. Okay, which are the 2 different ways? Just tell me. Which are the 2 ways?
Either buy a strawberry for rupees 200 and get the cherry for less than its price, for
Okay,
less
that
than
is
strawberry's price. Yeah.
Okay, that is one selection. What is the other one?
Yeah, only one. Only one.
For you, only one selection. Okay, Sanvi wrote 2 different selections. Which are they?
No, ma'am, one only because if you buy a strawberry, which is 200, the cherry is 150, so it's less and you can get it for free. But if you buy
You can get to the same price also, no? Another one?
same
So
price,
here, Nikita wrote 3. Nikita, you wrote 3. How it will be, Nikita?
Ma'am, if we buy a strawberry, then we can either get another strawberry free or a cherry free. So there are 2 combinations. And if we buy a cherry, then we can get another cherry free. So it's a 3rd combination.
Yes. That means cherry, you can. Strawberry, you can. If you buy strawberry and cherry, another combination. Yes, Sarah, correct. 2 packet strawberry, you can. 2 packet cherry, you can. 1 packet strawberry and 1 packet cherry is also possible. So you can buy 3 different ways. Now look at this one. Yes, Catherine, you want to ask something?
No, ma'am, I just congrats. That's
Congrats.
clap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clap. Okay. Okay. Now the next one, vegetables. The same rule applied. So how many different ways? Same rule.
3 ways.
3 ways. So if anyone purchase both together, how many different ways they can? Left side fruits.
9 ways.
Yes. Vegetables 3 ways. When you purchase both, it will be 9 different ways. Correct answer. Okay. Now look at the next. Here the shopkeeper is giving again. If you purchase both, they will give you a basket free to arrange these fruits and vegetables. Okay, if you buy fruits and vegetables, they will give you one basket free. Okay, you can select one basket to arrange these fruits. So now you can arrange the basket either in the first one or in the green basket. Okay, so how many ways you can arrange it? We already purchased 3 ways here, 3 ways here. So total you can purchase 9 different combinations. These 9 different combinations you are going to arrange in 2 different baskets. So how many different ways you will get? 2 more baskets. So all these 9 ways you can keep it in one basket. Take one basket. Or again these 9 arrangements, selections, you can keep it in the other basket. Yes, Navneet, correct answer. Nikita, correct answer. It will be 9 into 2 ways. So total you will get 18 different types of arrangements. Yes, Ananya, correct answer. Okay, now I hope you understood this calculation. This is coming 3 ways. Vegetable is coming 3 ways. So total 3 into 3, 9 different ways of selection. Now you are going to arrange it in 2 different baskets. So it will be 9 into 2, 18 different ways. Okay, now we are moving on to the next sale price. The same rule applied, but here the items are costly and there are 3 items. There are 3 items. Now you calculate. You can write in your note and you can calculate. How many different ways you can purchase? One Apple phone is there. One PlayStation
6
is there.
ways.
6. Which are the 6 ways?
iPhone and iPhone.
Yes.
The game console and one more.
Okay.
The camera and the player. And
Okay.
next one, iPhone and the game console.
Hmm.
Second one, game console and the camera. Third one, iPhone and camera.
Okay. So how many you got?
6.
6.
Yeah.
Sure. Why, Sarah, it is 5? Sarah, can you unmute and say why it is 5? She said already 6, no? She said iPhone, PlayStation, camera. Then iPhone with the camera, 4. iPhone with the PlayStation, 5. Yes? Now, you can purchase camera with the PlayStation. So total, yes, Sangvi, it is 6 different ways. 6 different ways. Correct answer, Catherine, it is correct. Okay, now you can see the next one. Here, another 3 items are given. Look at the price and how many different ways. It is also the same rule, same conditions. Same rule, same
6
conditions.
ways.
6 ways. Now, if a person is going to purchase from both sections, how many different ways he can purchase?
36.
Yes, correct answer. 6 into 6, 36 ways you can purchase. Okay, these questions will lead us to make the different ragas. Okay, now we will move on to the next slide. In the next slide, you can see one more application. What happened? If you purchase both the items, both sides, then the shopkeeper is giving 2 boxes free, either the first one or the second one. So total, you have selected 36 different ways. Now, with these 2 boxes, how many different ways you can arrange? Yes.
72.
72 different ways. Correct answer. You can arrange in 72 different ways. Now we are moving on to the, what is this 7 letters? What are the 7
Ragas.
letters? Ragas. 7 letters are ragas.
No, no,
7
no.
letters. Swara. Swara. Yes, we are going to make ragas with these letters. Letters means it has different notes, correct. Different notes and different frequencies. We were discussing about the frequencies in the first class. Now look at these 7 swaras or 7 different notes. S and P are only one type, but R, it has 3 different varieties with the different frequencies. G also 3. M, there are 2 different types, and D and N also 3 different types. Those students, they know about this music, they might be knowing which are these different types. You can see here, S, the correct name of that one is Shadjam, that is the lower one. Because in the octave, the last S is Shadjam upper. Then R, you can see here 3 different varieties, R1, R2, R3. Shuddha Rishabham, Chadushruti Rishabham, and Shatshruti Rishabham. G1, G2, G3, Shuddha Gandharam, Sadharana Gandharam, and Andhara Gandharam. M1, that is the middle one, is Shuddha Madhyamam. M2 is Pradi Madhyamam, P is Panchama. Now you can see D1, D2, D3, that is Daivadam in 3 varieties, and N1, N2, N3, Nishadam in 3 different numbers. That means different frequencies. Okay. Now, these are the different frequencies, different notes. So total, how many are there?
16.
16. It is written there. Now there are 16 objects. But among the 16 objects, we are going to select only 7. That means S, R, G, Sa, Ri, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. This, all the notes should be there, but Rishabham means you can select any one of this. G, Gandharam, you can select any one. Madhyamam, any one. But P and S are fixed. That is permanent. Then Daivadam 3, any one you can select, and Nishadam also any one. The order should be same, but there are few more rules to select. We are going to select 7 letters with the last Shadjam, it will be an octave. So you can create a raga with the 7 swaras. It is known as Melakarta ragas. Okay, so what is the condition? Now you can read the conditions. Total there are 16 letters. If you select R1, read the condition given below. If you select R1 with the G1, R1 with the G2, R1 with the G3, you can select. But if you select R2, you can't select G1 along with this. The reason is that it is lower one when you consider R2. So it will go equal one or the higher one. So R2 will go with the G2, R2 will go with the G3. It is same like the previous same question. It will go, instead of going down, it is going up, R2, G2, R2, G3. But if you select R3, you can go with the G3 only. S and P are fixed, so you don't need to worry about S and P. And I'm going to fix here the Madhyamam M1. Madhyamam, the first one I am applying here, M1. So you don't need to bother about the M1. You have to think about this Rishabham and Gandharam in the left hand side, right hand side, Daivadam and Nishadam. D1 will go with the N1, N2, N3. But if you take D2, you can take only N2 and N3. But if you select D3, you can take only M3. This is the condition. Did you all understand the conditions? If you did not understand the condition, I will explain again.
Ma'am, but
Yes,
while
ma'am, we
choosing-
understood.
While
Sorry.
making,
Yes, someone is asking. Yes.
while choosing this, we can choose either R1, R2, or R3. Anyone.
Yes, either R1. If you select R1, you can take all either G1, G2 or G3. But if you take R2, you can take only G2 or G3. If you take R3, you can take only G3. It is same like that question, what I taught in the previous slide. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The camera, iPhone will go with the camera or the PlayStation. But the camera will go with the either camera or with the PlayStation. The same way R1 will go with the G1, but R2 will not go with the G1, R2 will go with the G2. Now you can imagine how many different combinations you can create here in the left hand side. From this picture you will get it.
6 combination.
In the left hand side, the 6 combination, correct answer. Navneet, it is correct. Then who said that is Catherine? Correct answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Now the same way, if you take Daivadam and Nishadam, the right hand side, how many different combinations you will get?
6
Yes.
6.
6. Ananya, correct answer again 6. Yes, Anvi, Ananya, we will get 2 times. 2 times we are getting 6 in the left hand side, 6 in the right hand side. And there are fixed S, P, and I fixed the M1 in the middle. So now 6, 1 in the left hand side, 6 combination, and right hand side 6 combination. Together, how many combinations are there?
36.
36. 6 into 6, 36. Do you have any question, any doubts? You can ask now. Otherwise, I will move on to the next slide. Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Now, in the next slide, I fix them to the same rules apply here also. So in the previous one, there are 36 combinations. Now I fix the M2. How many combinations you will get here? How many combinations? The rules are same. Only the difference I made in the Madhyamam. There are 2 different Madhyamam. Okay. So I fix the second one. Yes. How many? Again we will get 36. Correct answer. How many? Sanvi, you got correct answer. Again 36. So if you fix M1, you will get the 36. If you fix M2, again you will get the 36. Now you tell me how many total? We will fix either M1 or M2. We will not keep M1 and M2 together. So in the first slide you created 36 and now you created again 36. So what is the total number of arrangements?
72.
72, correct. 36 into 2, correct. It is 72. So someone wrote 36 square. It is not 36 square now. The first slide is 36 different arrangements. You can't take M2 with that. You remove M1 and you keep M2, then you will get the 36. So either the first slide 36 or the second slide 36. So it will be 36 plus 36. Hence it is 72. Okay. So these 72 arrangements are forming our 72 Melakarta Ragas. Did you understand? Have you heard about Melakarta Ragas? Anyone? Catherine? Catherine?
Yes, ma'am. I have not heard. I haven't heard that.
First time you are here. So
Yeah.
these are the 72 Melakarta Ragas in Carnatic music. The similar one you can see in the other Indian music styles and Western music also you can see different styles. Okay, it's different. Either we say ragas or modes or whatever it is. Okay, in everywhere the concept is the same. We are arranging different notes within certain conditions. So we
Ma'am,
apply.
in Western we will say general.
Yes. Okay, Western. So you know how many are there? Tell me.
I don't know how
You
many.
don't know how many. Okay, now you can do one thing. Today after the class, when you get a free time, you can create like this. How many you can create? Okay, sit and write this one. So total, we are going to explain about the 72 Melakarta ragas. This is Melakarta ragas, the parent ragas. Okay, after parent ragas, now you can create one raga. Anyone? Can you create one raga? Anyone? Any combination? Okay. Take the first one. Can you tell me one combination from these 7 letters? Catherine, you try. You are the one unmute and say something. So you can try. S is fixed. R1, G1, M1, D1, N1 like that. You can select any combination. Tell me one combination.
Is it like R1 and G1, R2 and G3, R3
No.
and G?
No, wait. If you take R1, G1, then you can't take R2, G2. Then you go to D1 and N1.
Yeah, okay.
One Rishabam, one Gandharam, then one Daivadam, one Nishadam.
Okay, can I take
Ah,
R1 and G2, D1 and D1 and N3?
D1 and N3. R1, G2, D1, N3. The name of the raga is, anyone knows? Dhenugha. Justin sir.
Ma'am, yes, can you tell me the letters again?
It is the 9th raga. Dhenugha. Okay, no need to play the music. Just I am confirming the name of the raga. Okay, the same way, Catherine, you can create many 72 total 72 ragas. Okay, you can see here S R1 G3 M1P D2 N2. Okay, this is one arrangement among in the 72. The name of that raga is Chakravaka. Then the next combination you can see here SR2 G3 M1P D2 N3S. That raga is actually it is a Shankarabharana. Okay, but its full name is Dhira Shankarabharana. Yes, Maya, you can.
Okay, so about Chakravaka, Raga Chakravaka or Chakravaham is the 16th Melakarta raga in the system of Carnatic music. And according to Dikshita School of Music, it has got another name called Toya Vega Vahini. And it is a beautiful raga which can incite feelings of devotion, sympathy, and compassion in the listeners. Okay, and the swaras involved are Shajjam, Shuddha Rishabham, Antara Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panjamam, Chatushruti Daivadam, Kaishiki Nishadam. Now the raga has got an equivalent in Hindustani which is called Ahir Bhairav. Okay, now let me sing a few examples. Can I?
Justin will. Maya, Justin, do you want Justin still?
If we can play the notes or sing
Yeah.
the Arohan and Avarohan, it will be helpful for the students.
Yes, ma'am. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa.
Padi kanne அருகில் நீ என்று தூங்காத கண்ணே, நீ பாதி நான் பாதி கண்ணே, அருகில் நீ என்று தூங்காத கண்ணே, நீ இல்லையே இனி நான் இல்லையே உயிர் நீயே, நீ பாதி நான் பாதி கண்ணா, அருகில் நீ என்று தூங்காத கண்ணே. अब तेरे बिन जी लेंगे हम जहर जिंदगी का पी लेंगे हम, क्या हुआ जो एक दिल टूट गया, क्या हुआ जो एक दिल टूट गया, अब तेरे बिन जी लेंगे हम जहर जिंदगी का पी लेंगे हम. രാക്കിളിതൻ വഴിമറയും നോവിൻ പെരുമഴക്കാലം, കാത്തിരിപ്പിൻ തിരി നനയും ഈരൻ പെരുമഴക്കാലം, ഒരു വേനലിൻ വിരഹബാഷ്പം ജലതാളമാർന്ന മഴക്കാലം, ഒരു തേടലായി മഴക്കാലം, രാക്കിളിതൻ വഴിമറയും നോവിൻ പെരുമഴക്കാലം. So that's all about Chakravakam or Ahir Bhairav.
This is Mrs. Maya Budwal. She was a teacher in the Indian school so far. Now she is in India. Okay, children. Now you can listen. The next one, I showed you Dheera Shankarabharanam. She will sing the that Raga Dheera Shankarabharanam.
Padhanisa Anidha Magarisa.
Thank you, Jessica. Dheera Shankarabharanam, which is plainly called as Shankarabharanam, is the 29th Melakarta Raga in the system of Carnatic music, and the swaras involved are Shadjam, Chatushruti Rishabham, Antara Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, Chatushruti Dhaivadam, Kakali Nishadam. Its Hindustani equivalent is Bilawal Dhat. Okay, and as the strings are played, the Arohana and Avarohana, it goes like this. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Now let me sing a few songs in this raga. Subhlali laliye, lali laliye, Abhirami laliye, lali laliye, oho kanmani anpodu kaadalan naan ezhudum kadithame, ponmani un veetil saukhyama naan inga saukhyame, unne enni paakayil kavithai kottudhu, அதை எழுத நினைக்கையில் வார்த்தை முட்டுது, ஓஹோ லா 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 லா. छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छू कर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छू कर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, പിണക്കമാണോ എന്നോടിണക്കമാണോ, അടുത്തു വന്നാലും പൊന്നെ മടിച്ചു നിൽക്കാതെ, മിടുക്കി പ്രാവിൻ നെഞ്ചിൻ മിടിപ്പ് പോലെ തുടിച്ചു ചാഞ്ചാടും എന്റെ മനസ്സറിഞ്ഞൂടെ, കണ്ണുകളിൽ കുറുമ്പിന്റെ മിന്നലില്ലേ, പൂങ്കുയിലായി കുറുകുന്ന പ്രായമല്ലേ, മാനത്തെ അമ്പിളിയായി നീ ഉദിച്ചില്ലേ, മാനത്തെ ചന്ദനമായി നീ തെളിഞ്ഞില്ലേ, കളമൊഴി വെറുതെയോ കവിളിലേ പരിഭവം. That's all about Shankarabharanam. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Maya. Next,
Thank you, Lisa ma'am.
Next, one student, Sai Darshana, is with us. Sai Darshana is from National School. She is a 12th standard student. She is going to sing the next two ragas you can see here, SR2, G2, M1, D2, N2. That is Karahara Priya. The second one is Natha Bhairavi. Those who know the Carnatic music, you must be knowing this. Otherwise, this is our combination. SR2, G2, M1P, D1, N2.
Yes, I'm going to sing a Tamil song, Vasigara, and with its Hindi version. So can you please tell about the ragam?
Yeah. Karahara Priya, 22nd Melakarta Raga. There is equivalent raga is we can Kafi Dhat, it's equivalent to Karahara Priya. And Western also there is Dorian mode, it's equivalent. So I will play sa ni da pa ma ga re sa.
പ്ലാവില പൂന്തളികയിൽ പാൽ പായസ ചോറുവാൻ പിന്നെയും പൂമ്പൈതലായി കൊതി തുള്ളിൽ കുവരിങ്ങിനു ചിങ്കകളെ കൂമ്പിൽ ചെറുതുമ്പിയായി തേനുണ്ണുവാൻ കാറ്റിനോടു കെഞ്ചി ഒരു നാട്ടുമാങ്കനി വീഴ്ത്തുവാൻ ഇനിയും ഈ തുടികള് കളിയാടാൻ മോഹം ശ്രീരാഗമോ തേടുന്നു നീ വീണതൻ പൊന്തന്തിൽ സ്നേഹാർദ്രമാം ഏതോ പദം തേടുന്നു നാം ഈ നമ്മള് നിന്നോനമോ പൂമാനമായി നിൻരാഗമോ പൂപാളമായി ഇന്നുള്ളിൽ നീ പുലർക്കന്യയാ വീടൊരുങ്ങി നാടൊരുങ്ങി കൽപ്പാത്തി തേരൊരുങ്ങി പൊങ്കലുമായി വന്നു പൗർണമി വീടൊരുങ്ങി നാടൊരുങ്ങി കൽപ്പാത്തി തേരൊരുങ്ങി പൊങ്കലുമായി വന്നു പൗർണമി വെച്ച നാൾ മുതൽ കൂനി എന്റെ സ്വന്തമായി ആശ കൊണ്ടു കൂടു കൂട്ടിനാം ഇഷ്ടം കൂടിയെന്നും എന്നും പിച്ച വെച്ച നാൾ മുതൽ കൂനി എന്റെ സ്വന്തമായി ആശ കൊണ്ടു കൂടു കൂട്ടിനാം ഇഷ്ടം കൂടിയെന്നും പിച്ച വെച്ച നാൾ മുതൽ കൂനി.
Nadabhairavi, in Hindustani there is Asaviri Dhat, we can call, and in Western music, natural minor, and there is another mode name is there, Aeolian. Sare gama pada ni sa re da pa ma ga re sa.
அடைமழை வரும் அதில் நனைவோமே குளிர் காய்ச்சலோடு சிநேகம் ஒரு போர்வைக்குள் இரு தூக்கம் குழு குழு பொய்கள் சொல்லி என்னை வேள்வாய் அது தெரிந்தும் கூட அன்பே மனமதேதான் எதிர்பார்க்கும் எங்கேயும் போகாமல் தினம் வீட்டிலே நீ வேண்டும் சில சமயம் விளையாட்டாய் உன்னாடைக்குள்ளே நான் வேண்டும் ஜரா ஜரா बहकता है महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन मैं प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में मेरी कसम तुझको सनम दूर कहीं ना जा ये दूरी कहती है पास मेरे आजा रे आजा रे आजा रे आजा. Thank you.